Hey guys, welcome back to Beamer PhD. I'm your host, Tim. And today, in the spirit of Car Care Month, we're going to talk about tires. That's right, tires and brakes. The only thing stopping you from crashing into the car in front of you. So, if you take a quick look here, you can see that all tires have what they call a wear pattern or a wear mark right here. Not a wear pattern, but a wear mark. And once this tire is flush, once the rubber is flush with that wear mark, that means your tire is worn out and needs to be replaced. If you notice on the other side, it's already contacting that wear mark. So these two rear tires need to be replaced. What we're working with today is a 2017 BMW i3 Rex model. This is an electric vehicle with a Rex generator in it, which will give you enough power to get to your next charging system, your charging station, in the event that you did not plan correctly. So the tires on these vehicles, if you notice, are thin, and that's because they have low rolling resistance. And they wear at about every 10,000 miles. So the myth of electric vehicles do not need anything is not true. They do need some maintenance. After all, they are a car and they do need tires, brakes, and maintenance. So I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.